What is the difference between MRP1 and MRP2? MRP1 stands for Material Requirement Plan. It is planned for the production and purchase of the components used in making the item in the master production schedule. It shows the quantities needed when manufacturing make an end item or finished good. Purchasing and production activity control use the MRP to decide the purchase or manufacturing of a specific item. The level of details are high here. While as MRP second stands for Manufacturing Resource Plan, it provides coordination between marketing and production. Marketing, finance and production agree on a total workable plan expressed in the production plan. So MRP second is a method for the effective planning of all resources of a manufacturing company. We can see the difference between these two in this table.
If this clip got your gears turning, then you're going to love the full video on our channel, 10 minutes for supply chain, links in the description below. Don't miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your team. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for weekly breakdowns of the global supply chain. Join membership button, become a member for exclusive content, early access, and global logistics insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay ahead, and always supply smart.